Beauty! PA474! Oh, you gorgeous girl! Oh, you beauty! Woo! That's more like it! That is more like it! ABBA Lancaster, just gone over. Cool! Yes! No, I didn't. Bloody hell, Lancaster! Yay! PA474! Whoa! Yeah. Could have been a bit more noisy though, could have. Yeah! Oh, look at you, you beauty! Woo! That's what we like! That's what we like! ABBA Lancaster, thank you very much. Doing us a flyby. Thank you, PA474, safe trip to Coningsby. You beauty. Where are you? You're not. Oh, it's the Lancaster. But she ain't got a Merlin's running this time. Yes, you see, that's definitely PA474. This side, wingtip's clear. Night night, PA474. You gorgeous ABBA, you. Say good night to PA474. She's putting her to bed. She's no gal. Got to have a nap in the afternoon. Oh, sun on her back. What a beautiful sight. No, I'm not overly excited this time because she's not flying over, but you know, not at the moment she's not. Oh, what a beautiful sight she is. Hope to see if overflying us a good few more times this year.